Hacker Dad here, and we are gonna transform this hallway. We're gonna line the whole top with monkey bars just to make it a little bit fun. And here's what we got. So we've got these monkey bars, which I found online. We're gonna drill these wood beams up into the studs up here, and these are just spacers so that we get the right width. So here we go. Monkey bars are finally up. It took the whole entire day, but it was a lot of fun. And what do you think, kids?
Amazing! I love it!
All right, I think it was a hit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. We have more to come, and keep hacking. Thanks a lot.
See you soon! Bye! Bye.